how to enter a code on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can actually enter a code on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to enter maybe a referral code or maybe any type of code that someone else has given to you, and in order to begin using Cash App, what you need to do is just go ahead and launch the Cash App on your phone. Make sure that you're signed into your account. So let's say I have a specific code that someone has sent me. Make sure that you copy the code. Then once you open Cash App, just tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then once you tap the profile icon from the top right hand side, you just need to scroll down over here, and then if you scroll down all the way to the bottom of the screen, you will find an option that says enter referral code. So all you have to do is just tap on the enter referral code option. Then you just need to enter the referral code of your Cash App or whatever someone else has given you. Tap on the next option. If the code is correct, it will be successfully redeemed to your account and applied for any type of discounts or purchases or deposits that you might have. This is how you can enter a code on Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.